لأجلك يا ربي نسعى.
Creation of the universe, the Big Bang. The creation of the universe is explained by astrophysicists in a widely accepted phenomena, popularly known as the Big Bang. According to the Big Bang, the whole universe was initially one big mass. Then there was a Big Bang, secondary separation, which resulted in the formation of galaxies. Then these divided to form stars, planets, the sun, the moon, and etc. The origin of the universe was unique and probability of it occurring by chance is zero. The Holy Quran contains the following verse. Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation before we clove them asunder. لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. None has the right to be worshipped except Allah, alone, without partner. To Him belongs all sovereignty and praise, and He is over all things omnipotent. May Allah grant us complete faith in Him, and He is the most benevolent, established, and strengthen our faith in His oneness. Amen.